Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to discuss gate bits 7 and 8, which these bits were. So we're going to discuss two bits, and these bits were based upon the concepts of basic computer organization. So the concepts of basic computer organization has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. So coming to this video, so in this video we are going to discuss this bit. The bit is which is the most appropriate match for the items in the first column with the items in the second column. So with the items in this column, which is the appropriate match on the items on that column. So what the appropriate values, matching values can be. So indirect addressing. So indirect addressing, the concept of indirect addressing. So we have taken two different videos. We have covered the different types of addressing modes in two different videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos. So there we have discussed that the indirect addressing mode is the mode by which the pointer implementation has been made. Okay, so now out of these three options, it is the array implementation. No, it is not. Writing a relocatable code, it is also not. So the other one is passing array as a parameter. Whenever we pass the array as a parameter in a function, what we are going to pass? We are going to pass the address. The address, starting address of the array will be passed as the parameter in the function. So the implementation, so here it is what we call it as the pointer. So array is passed as the address. Address means it is a pointer. Indirect addressing mode is the implementation. So the appropriate matching on this column is passing array as a parameter. Next one is indexed addressing. Indexed addressing, we have said that the value that is stored in the index register is going to store the index of an array. The base address is added with the index of an array so that we are going to get the memory location of that specific index. There we can access the value in that specific index. So the index register addressing is the implementation of arrays. And the next one is base register addressing. Base register addressing is for relocating. So the base of the process, the base of the program is stored in the base address. Whenever we relocate the program from one location to another location, so the discussion has already been made why we are going to relocate the program. So the discussion has already been made in the addressing modes video. There we have said that when the program is relocated from its location and again it is shifted to the other location, there the base address will get stored in the base register, and the relative address which is provided in the instruction is added to the base address so that we can get the location where we have to jump to. Okay, so the base address implementation, base register addressing mode is used for writing the relocatable code. Okay, so this bit was asked in GATE 2001 and it was asked for 2 marks. And the next bit is also a similar bit. So why we have taken this is these bits again and again means in order to make you understand the importance of addressing modes. So the next one is match each of the high level language statements given on the left hand side with the most natural addressing modes from the list on the right hand side. So on the left hand side we are provided with the programming concepts. So these programming concepts are related to which kind of addressing modes that we have to match them. So this is A of I is equal to B of J. So as we have discussed, it is the indexed addressing. Indexed addressing means it helps us in implementing the arrays concepts. So the appropriate match is indexed addressing, while A++, star of A++, means it is incrementing the values. Incrementing the values means it is auto increment. And the next one is int temp is equal to star of x. This is what we call it as a pointer, right? Pointer declaration can be made in this way. So the right option is indirect addressing. So the concept of indirect addressing is addressing mode is the reason for the implementation of pointers. So the right option is 1C. It is okay, sorry, I have done a mistake. It is 1C and this one is B. So I have just put the wrong arrow marks. So the first one is C, first one is B, sorry, first one is B, second one is C, and third one is A. First one is B, see here, first one is B, second one is C, and third one is A. So the right option is C. And similarly, I think we haven't marked answer in this. Here the first one is X is 3, X is 3, so X is 3, so we have got two options. Y is 1, Y is 1 and Z is 2. So this is the right option. Okay, so these two questions are asked. The second question was asked in GATE 2005 and it was also asked for 2 mark question. Hope you got the clarity on this discussion. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, these bits, please ask those doubts in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.